In this video clip, we learn how to find the seasonal index for monthly data, 2-year data here. Firstly, we find the moving total for 1 year or 12 months. We put the first moving total for June, or the 6th month of the first year, which is for 12 months. We copy the formula to the June of the next year. Then we find the moving total for 2 years or 24 months. The first moving total of 24 months is for the first two moving total of 12 months here. Then we can find the average for each month. Be careful, here we use the moving total for 24 months over 24. Because we have 2-year data, we have one average for each month. Then we can find the rough index, which is the monthly sales over the monthly average. They are rough index because they do not have an average of exactly 1, which is what we want. So here, to do that, we need to find a multiplier. For monthly data, the multiplier is 12 over the summation of the rough index here. Then the index is the rough index times the multiplier. Oh, I'm sorry, here we need to log the location L2. Here we go. We can double check the summation of the indexes is exactly 12.